Hi guys, how to download OBS in Windows 10 and 11. Now, open your web browser, Chrome or Edge is fine, type OBS in the search bar, and go to the official website at obsproject.com/file. Using the wrong site can get you adware, so stick to this exact link. Click the Windows button on the homepage to start the download. Here is a quick warning. If your browser says, "This file might be unsafe," click Keep. It's totally safe. And skipping this stops the whole process. Open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. Then follow the wizard. Click Next, agree to the license, and select Install. Keep watching. If other apps like Chrome block the install, just close them and the setup will continue automatically. Launch OBS, and the auto-configuration wizard will pop up. Choose Optimizing for recording, not streaming unless you are live. Set your resolution to match your display, and set FPS to 60 for smooth, professional-looking video. Hit subscribe for more OBS setup tips. Next video shows you how to add overlays like a pro.